Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send image as document in WhatsApp. Friends, in WhatsApp sometimes due to many reasons we need to send our image in original size and pixel quality. So to send our image without losing quality, we need to open the chat window of the person to whom we want to send the image. So in the chat window, we need to press on the attachment icon. In attachment icon, we need to press on document. Now here we need to press on browse other docs. Now here from the list of images, you need to select the image which you want to share with the person. Now suppose for example I want to share this image. To see this image, press here. Now after seeing the image, press on the image to share it in WhatsApp as document. Now press on send. Now friends, this image is shared in WhatsApp as document in its original size and quality. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.